Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And so today I am here with my Ipsy Glam Bag. So we're just gonna see what we got in here. So let's just get started. Okay friends, I do have a couple of add-ons in here. I'm going to go through the Glam Bag first, and so let's get into it. Here, I'd like to thank you all for being here, and I appreciate your support. You can support my channel by hitting the like button, subscribing, leaving a comment. All those things are appreciated so much. So here is the Glam Bag. Now, I'm not, I go crazy over the Glam Bags, and I don't know, this one just isn't quite it for me. I know that this color is a real fall color, this like burgundy color. I know it's good for fall, and it has a little purple snakes on it with like one eye. And I think the zipper pull is really cute. There's the one eye zipper pull. So we're gonna see what's all is in here now. Anyway, so yeah, it's green inside, so it's very kind of Halloween-y, whatever. So the first thing I'm pulling out here is a fragrance scent. This is Kenzie Beauty Not So Vanilla. Now I saw this in their shop, and I can't remember how much in the shop, maybe $6 or $8. Anyway, it is a full, not a full size, but a good, the good purse size or whatever. So I like that. Now let's take a sniff of it. Okay, let's see here. I'm just going to put a back of my hand real quick here. Ooh. I'm not sure I smell the vanilla. It smells kind of sweet. It says not so vanilla. Kind of smells like candy of some kind or something. Normally I'm not super drawn to wearing those scents, but I actually really like this. It would be a good layering scent, and I'm into that. So anyway, there's the first thing we got in the bag. So we're off to a good start here. The next thing I have, it looks like it's Glow Core, and this is a Mystic Earth eyeshadow palette. And let's open this up and see what we got in here. Okay, so there's what it looks like, and here is the inside. I don't know, not crazy about it. I doubt I will use this. I have so many eyeshadow palettes, but it's not bad. It's not a bad one to have. But anyway, so there's that. Kind of on the no list for me, but sometimes it's nice to get an eyeshadow palette anyway. So the third thing is I have this is from Shanna B Miami, and it is a gel eyeliner in black card. It's a deep black. So it looks like a fine line. I'm not going to open this up because anyway, I have too many in use right now. So anyway, there is that, and that's a full-size item, so that's good. And I think this Kenzie would be considered a full-size item, even though it's not a sample. It's deluxe or whatever. So okay, so the fourth thing we have in here is something I picked. I wasn't super excited about my pick, so I tried this. This is Real Her, and it is a what do they call it? They call it a Confident Glow Mini Lip Mask and Scrub. So I kind of like that. It's a little different, and it's, you know what, I don't even think I'm going to open this either. Well, maybe I will. Looks like it's going to be easy here. So it's one on top of the other, and I don't have a lot of lip scrubs, so I like that. Okay, it's got the lip scrub on top, and it feels, feels like a lip scrub should feel. And then let's see what the mask is down here. than a mask. I think this is something I could use at night too, before bed. So anyway, it's just a lip scrub and mask. So it's good care for your lips. I like that it attaches together like that. So I have a few lip products by my bed in my nightstand, but I'll add that and rotate with it. That's a good thing. So I actually like that too. So I've got, out of 4, I've got 3 I really like. And the 4th one is First Aid Beauty, which is a great product. It's obviously just a small size hydrating dewy gel cream. So I think it's just like a moisturizer, hydrates. So anyway, that is my 5th thing. So not too bad. I always tend to get to my things before I pull out the card. I got the card here and it actually shows inside. I believe it's going to show what I got in my bag, which it does. So there we are. And it just has a sneak peek of upcoming, what might be upcoming here. So the theme this month is Work Your Magic. And October 2025, whether you're conjuring bold looks or summoning serious glow, we've got everything you need to play beauty your way, because around here, playing dress up never ends. So anyway, that's fun. So, okay, there we go. So that is the bag. We got our eyeshadow palette right here. We've got the eyeliner right here. The perfume, which I love, right there. Got our First Aid Beauty moisturizer, a little bit of everything, mostly makeup, and then the lip scrub and mask. So those are the 5 items. That is the bag. There we go. So anyway, there we go. Let's see what we got in here for add-ons. I don't think I got many add-ons, but let's see what I got. Probably just the like 350 items. Oh yes, they had scents in their cheap 350s, and I had, you know, I'm so into scents right now. So I got BCBG Essence Day Vanilla. I'm not a super big vanilla fan, but since I'm layering a lot right now, vanilla is a really good scent to layer with, you know, your florals or whatever else. So there, it's what it looks like, and it is that one right there. Let me see. Let me see if I put this one on, spray it. Okay, give it a second here. There we go. Ooh, that one smells really good too. These don't really smell like vanilla to me. Maybe people are putting vanilla in their names just because they know people like vanilla. I don't know. I'm one who doesn't normally go for vanilla, so that's probably the minority with people in scents. But anyway, so the next one I got here is called, let's see. This one is Memoir Archives at the Market. So there we go. That's what it looks like, and it's really cute. It's got cherries on it. So I don't know if it's going to have cherry in it or not. This one sprays really good. Okay, these all smell really good. Oh, I love all of them, so I'm excited. They're good layering, and they're great for purses. So I'm really excited to be able to get these two for that's their $3.50 each. So that was a steal on that. The third thing I have here is just a Morphe. I got a Morphe. I think this is an eyebrow pencil. Let me see what it says here about this. It's just a more micro brow dual-ended pencil and spoolie in latte. So it's a soft brown, which I kind of tend to like. And I really have been getting into Morphe, so I wanted to try it. And there we go with the Morphe. Anyway, it looks like it would be it's going to be a good one. So I like that, and I picked that up too in the cheapies. And then the last thing I have, I think I paid $6 for this. They used to have it in $3.50, but I have to pick it up when I get it because I'm so in love with this Tasha. And it's so expensive for the big ones. They're you know, really pricey. So these last two, these go a long way. There's a lot of moisturizer in there. This is the light purple. This is kind of one of my favorites right now as far as moisturizer. I really love it. I have not tried a lot of the other Tasha products, but I'm hoping to do so in the future. So anyway, so there's that. And so there's 4 things so far, and I think actually that is it. I just got these 4 things as add-ons, so I'm happy about that. And so let me know what you guys think. What do you think of the bag? Did you get your bag? Do you like your bag? So I'd love to hear about your experience. And I just wanted to say thank you for being here. I appreciate your support, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.